Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain the basic concepts of set theory. Now, set theory is nothing but a way of representing groups of different items and the way these groups are classified and interact with each other. So, a very basic way of using or showing these groups is the system of Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams is a simple diagrammatic method by which you can represent groups and the way these groups are connected to each other. So, for example, if I say that A is the group of elements 1, 2, and 3, then diagrammatically, this can be represented by drawing a circle with the elements 1, 2, 3 in it and simply calling it A. Now, supposing I have another set B, which contains the elements 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, the number 3 belongs to both A and B. So I draw another circle which includes 3 in it, put 4 and 5, the extra elements, and name this as B. So circle A encompasses 1, 2, and 3. Circle B contains 3, 4, and 5. 3 is included in both A and B. 1 and 2 belong only to A. 4 and 5 belong only to B. Now, supposing I have a set C which contains the elements 7 and 8. Now, because 7 and 8 don't belong to either A or B, I will draw a disconnected circle indicating the elements for C in it. Supposing I have a set D which purely contains the elements 4 and 5, then D is a part of B. So I will draw D inside B. So the smaller circle indicates D. So these are simple diagrams which help you understand the representation of different sets. Now, in entrance examinations, set theory is about classifying multiple groups of people according to a basic characteristic. So, for example, it can be said that in a group of people, 45% of the people like tea and 60% of the people like coffee. Now, if you were to represent this, you will see that the total adds up to 105. But the total percentage for any group can only be represented by a maximum of 100. 100 means everybody. So, where are these 5 extra percentage of people coming from? So here we need to understand that tea lovers is represented by 45% and coffee lovers is represented by a group which is 60%, right? Now this region which you can see is an overlapping region. So when you add 45 and 60 and you get 105, you know that it's an extra 5%. This extra 5% is actually represented by this region. So there is 5% which is being counted twice, once as tea lover and once as coffee lovers. So 45% tea lovers include 5 percentage people who love both tea and coffee. That means from 45 we subtract 5. The remaining 40% are people who love only tea but not coffee. Similarly, out of the total 60 percentage of tea lovers, 5 love both tea and coffee. So 60 minus 5, 55 percentage of people love only coffee but not tea. So when we add only tea, only coffee, and both tea and coffee, then 40 plus 5, 45, 45 plus 55, we represent all the 100 percentage of the people. So let us take a look at a few examples to see how things can be solved. Let us say that there are 100 teachers in a school, where 60 teach science, 25 teach humanities, and 15 teach both science and humanities. So in this case, we always represent it using circles. Let us say science, 60% teach science, and humanities is represented by 25. Now first we will fill the circle which encompasses both. So 15% teach both. So science out of then 15 also teach humanities. So 60 minus 15, 45 teach only science. Similarly, out of total 25 humanities teachers, 15 teach science also. So 25 minus 15, the remaining 10 teach only humanities. So 45 plus 15, plus 10. So 45 plus 15, 60 plus 10. There are 70 teachers who are teaching either arts or humanities. So the number of teachers who teach science but not humanities, that means only science, is this 45. The number of teachers who teach humanities but not science, means only humanities, is 10. And the number of teachers who teach science or humanities, that is 45 plus 15 plus 10, either one or both. The total happens to be 70. So these are the answers to the question. Next one. In a group of people, 25 persons like tea or coffee, of which 15 like tea and 6 like both coffee and tea. So we are saying there are two groups, tea and coffee lovers. As usual, we start with both. So 6 love both and 15 like tea. So out of 15, we have already accounted for 6. So 15 minus 6, 9 love only tea. Total, there are 25 people. So 9 plus 6, we have already put 15 inside the circle. So 25 minus 15, there are 10 people who are in the last part, which is only coffee. But the question here is how many like coffee, not only coffee. So we count all the numbers in the circle for C, right? That means we count 10 and we count 6. So the answer to this question is 16. In a survey of 40 students in a class, 10 were fond of pineapple, 15 of orange, and 7 like to have both pineapple and orange. Okay, so let's make two groups, one loving pineapple, one loving orange. So 7 like to have both, so that's what we put first. Then out of 10 pineapple juice lovers, 7 are already here, so 10 minus 7, remaining 3 here. Out of the 15 orange juice lovers, 7 are already here, so 8 here. So the circles include 7 plus 3, 10 plus 3, 18 people who like either pineapple or orange or both. But the class has taught total 40 people, out of which only 18 have been accounted for. So there are 22 such people who like neither pineapple nor orange juice. So the answer to this question is 22 people. Now, this is a question where we are talking about three products. So let's first make the circles for the three products, right? So we have circle A, we have circle B, we have circle C. 38 liked product A, 36 liked product B, 39 liked product C. 24 liked both A and B. So 24 is this region. That includes this and all three. Similarly, C and A, we have 20 people, and for B and C, we have 18 people, and 9 like all three. So the common area we start with, as usual, 9 like all three. Now A and B are liked by 24, out of which 9 also like C. So the remaining portion for this particular area is 24 minus 9, which is equal to 15. Similarly, for this area, that is only A and C, is 20 minus 9, which is equal to 11. And this particular area, which is 18 minus 9, is equal to 9. Now we need to find out how many like product C only. That is this particular area. So the circle C, which includes 39, is 9. That is all three plus 9, which is B and C exclusively, plus 11, which is A and C exclusively, plus let us say X, which is only C. So if we include all this, then we will find that the value for X is equal to 10. So 10 people are such who love only product C. Now, let's take another example in which there are three games. So we have table tennis, we have swimming, and we have cricket, right? So 25 table tennis players, 16 swimmers, 22 cricket players. 8 are for table tennis and swimming, that is the common area. 6 are cricket and swimming, this area, and 5 are table tennis and cricket. So that is this area. But now individual numbers I do not. Also, I know that 12 students do not play any of these games. So, out of a total of 60 students, when 12 do not play any games, that means the circles will all add up to only 48. So, all the numbers in the circle should add up to 48. So, let's put variables here. Let us say A represents only TT, B represents TT and swimming, but not cricket. C represents TT and cricket, but not swimming. D represents only swimming. E represents swimming and cricket but not table tennis. F represents only cricket. And G represents all three. Now, we can make equations. So, for table tennis, the circle of table tennis, that's A plus B plus C plus G is equal to 25. The circle for swimming, B plus D plus E plus G is equal to 16. The circle for cricket, C plus E plus F plus G is equal to 22. Similarly, the values for table tennis and swimming, that is B plus G is equal to 8. The value of table tennis and cricket, G plus C is equal to 5. The value for swimming and cricket, E plus G is equal to 6. Now, if I were to add all these three equations, then I will get A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G once. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G, right? And we have addition of a G, a B, right? We have yet another G, we have yet another C, and we have an E. So, and then we have two G's. So we get plus B plus C plus E plus 2 times G is equal to all of this, which is equal to 5 plus 6, 11 plus 2, 13, 1 carry over, 63. Now we already know the sum of the entire circle, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, is equal to 48. So 48 plus B plus C plus E plus 2G, 63. From this, we know that B plus C plus E plus G, B plus E plus E plus G, is B plus C plus E plus 3 times G is equal to 19. So now substitute the values, find out the value of G, then you will be able to find out the value of other things as well. So number of people who play table tennis, do swimming and play cricket is the answer when you get the value of G. The number of people playing table tennis but not cricket. Table tennis but not cricket is A and B combined. Table tennis and cricket but not swimming. Table tennis and cricket but not swimming is C. So once you solve this, you should get the values as 4, 20, and 1.